Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Are you scared that your information and content are being misused or cyberbullied? Well, don't worry. Online Help Guide is here to help you. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the save video option on TikTok. So watch this video till the end. First, open your TikTok app. Then tap on Profile that is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you are on your profile, tap on three horizontal lines that is on the top right corner of your screen, also known as hamburger menu drawer. A pop-up will appear. Tap on Settings and Privacy. On Settings and Privacy page, tap on Privacy. Once you are on your privacy page, scroll a bit downwards and tap on Downloads. On Download page, tap on Video Downloads toggle bar to turn it off. So that is how you turn off the Save Video option on TikTok. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.